make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey mga kalalabs! Welcome to my vlog!
Hello guys! Welcome to my channel!
What is the called sexy? Like this? I'm here for another vlog mga kalalabs. I want to give you an update what happened my mama farm after the flood. Let's look around. Again, this is my Uncle Rice farm mga kalalabs. As you can see, there is a yellow color in the middle part. I don't know what is the English of that, but in Bisaya term, we call it bunhok. But I think there is a rice medicine for that. So, nothing to worry. As you can see, the rice, or in Tagalog term, we call it palay, look better now compared to our last vlog. My mama never applied any fertilizer or medicine yet for the palay. Because still rainy season here, our farmers struggles a lot. Most of our farmers now is wasting so much time, effort, money for the rice seed, and manpower expenses. As you can see mga kalalabs, there is some area which is the rice seedling is not growing enough. That is replanting in a second time around. Because the flood destroyed Mama Rice farm 2 times already. We will hope that no more flood will arrive. Let's continue to look around mga kalalabs. As you can see, the rice in this side look unhealthy. Because of the snail on the flood, the rice grows slow. Let us continue to look around mga kalalabs. As you can see here, is almost empty. And in this side, the grass growing. After finish planting, I think we need to cut the grass, but the fastest way is to spray the medicine. For now, we focus planting, rice planting first. I want to show you mga kalalabs which part we need to mud for the second time. Because this area is really empty. But before we continue to our vlog, please forgive me if sometimes you don't understand my grammar and pronunciation. But don't forget me, subscribe, like and share. In this part mga kalalabs, rice seedling almost gone cause of snail. Snail and flood destroyed the rice farm. As you can see mga kalalabs, the rice seed in this area almost wild. is my uncle rice field. He wasn't enclosed planting here because it was high water level here. He was worried that it might waste rice seed. The next one is my mama rice field. As you can see, empty. This area, I was told you need a mud boat again. Because as you can see, the grass is slowly growing. The rice seed must ready after mud boat. After cleaning the mud boat, we use this wood. In Bisaya term, we call it karis, to flat the surface of the rice field. This area, mga kalalabs, is my mother cousin rice farm. The rice field is clean already, but need to wait a good week before they plant the rice seedlings. That's all for today, mga kalalabs. Thank you for watching. In my next vlog, I will give you an update again. What will happen next in my mama farm. Thank you so much for your love and support. Always remember, mga kalalabs, be happy.
Do not hesitate to subscribe my channel. Press the bell button. Choose all for more videos to enjoy. And also, please like and share.